Welcome, little dreamers. Tonight's story is The Sleepy Dragon Snore, a gentle bedtime story about kindness, teamwork, and a snoring dragon. Deep in the middle of willow-whisk woods, where wildflowers bloom like soft buttons and the trees hum lullabies in the wind, all was peaceful. Until one night, something rumbled louder than thunder. Snoring. The birds in the trees fluttered awake with a flurry of feathers. The beehives jiggled like jelly on toast, and Mrs. Hedgehog dropped her knitting needles with a squeak. "What was that?" gasped Lulu the ladybug, peeking out from under her mushroom leaf blanket. Her pink glasses were crooked from the shake. "It sounds like a storm," said Milo the mouse.